The binturong, also known as bearcat, is a vivid native to South and Southeast Asia. It is uncommon in much of its range, and has been assessed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List because of a declining population trend that is estimated at more than 30% over the last 3 decades. Although called bearcat, this omnivorous mammal is not closely related to either bears or cats but to the pomcivets of Asia. It is a monotypic genus. Its genus name Arctictis means bear weasel, from Greek arc bear plus ictus weasel. In 1822, Thomas Stamford Raffles first described a specimen from Malacca. In Riau, Indonesia, it was known as tencher, and the body of the binturong is long and heavy, with short, stout legs. It has a thick fur of strong black hair. The bushy and prehensile tail is thick at the root, gradually diminishing in size to the extremity, where it curls inwards. The muzzle is short and pointed, somewhat turned up at the nose, and is covered with bristly hairs, brown at the points, which lengthen as they diverge, and form a peculiar radiated circle round the face. The eyes are large, black and prominent. The ears are short, rounded, edged with white, and terminated by tufts of black hair. There are 6 short rounded incisors in each jaw, 2 canines, which are long and sharp, and 6 molars on each side. The hair on the legs is short and of a yellowish tinge. The feet are 5-toed, with large strong claws. The soles are bare, and applied to the ground throughout the whole of their length. The hind ones are longer than the fore. In general build, the binturong is essentially like Paradoxurus and Paguma but more massive in the length of the tail, legs and feet, in the structure of the scent glands and larger size of rhinarium, which is more convex with the median groove being much narrower above the philtrum. The contour hairs of the coat are much longer and coarser, and the long hairs clothing the whole of the back of the ears project beyond the tip as a definite tuft. The anterior bristleflap of the ears is more widely and less deeply emarginate. The tail is more muscular, especially at the base, and in color generally like the body, but commonly paler at the base beneath. The body hairs are frequently partly whitish or buff, giving a speckled appearance to the pelage, sometimes so pale that the whole body is mostly straw-colored or gray, the young being often at all events paler than the adults, but the head is always closely speckled with gray or buff. The long moustachial vibrissae are conspicuously white, and there is a white trim on the summit of the otherwise black hair. The glandular area is whitish. The tail is nearly as long as the head and body, which ranges from 28 to 33 in. The tail is 26 to 27 in long. Some captive binturongs measured from 2 feet 6 in to 3 feet in head and body with a tail of 2 feet 4 in. Mean weight of captive adult females is 21.9 kilograms with a range from 11 to 32 kilograms. Captive animals often weigh more than 1.